Good morning, everyone. Please give me thumbs up if I am audible. Guys, give me thumbs up if I am audible. Am I audible, guys? Okay, cool. So I have set the timing for high intense workout. Once we are done with the warm up, we'll start the exercise. Keep your mat ready, keep your towel ready, and keep your water bottle ready, and prepare your mind. While you are relaxed, keep breathing. Slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out. This is a wonderful morning. Thank God. So 1 minute, guys. Keep breathing. We'll start sharp at 7. Okay, let's start with the warm up. First the neck rotation. Right, left, up, down, then clockwise rotation, then anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, five reps. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While you do anything, just make attention at the body or muscle part which are active. Okay, you need to focus so that you get a good moment. Okay, now clockwise rotation. 1 at the extreme corners. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold it at your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now make a fist. Good morning. Make a fist. Now rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are just doing the joint rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now place both the hands on your shoulder. Now start rotating, but you need to touch your elbows. I won't be able to touch because of my broad shoulders. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tap your shoulders. Make your hands parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now finger movement. Okay. See. Stretch it, then close it. Hold it for a while so that your entire nervous system get activated. Stretch, hold. The ending points are in the hands and in the sole. So we are just making the nerves activate. Okay. Now next. Make your hands parallel this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now hip movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now hold your opposite elbows like this. Now start going towards your right. 1, bounce. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now opposite side. Come on guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Now bend your knees. Start going down and just retain your knees and start bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax your hands. Hold your sole. Make your knee straight. Back straight. Slowly come up. Okay. Now good morning. Those who have a weak back, just place both the hands at your lower back. Okay. Others can do this way. Go back. Come down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now stretch yourself. Place your hands on your thighs. Slowly go down. Slowly. Hold your ankles and look down and opposite side. Look behind. You get a good stretch at your hamstring muscle. Now slowly come up. Now your sole movement. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotate your knees. Hold it. Place your hands. Okay. Make yourself balance comfortably. Now start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take wall support as well. Place your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now interlock your finger. Hold it near your knee and stretch your glute muscle. You can take the wall support, make your back straight, hold it, release. Now with the left, interlock your finger, stretch it, make your back straight, release. Now your quads. Okay? Those who can hold with both the hands, it's okay. Those who are holding with single leg, try to touch the left hand on the floor. Relax. Now with the left. Make your hands parallel. Slowly go down. Stretch. Okay. We are starting with the exercise now. It's set. So marching. Okay. Then sprint. March. Sprint. March. Sprint. March. Break. So I have set the timer. 30 seconds workout, 20 seconds break. Okay. In between, if you want to have during break, if you want to have sip of water, you can take a sip of water. Prepare yourself. Make your core strong. Okay. Go. March. Sprint. March. Sprint. March. Sprint. March. You can go sprint as much fast as possible. Break. Next we are doing squat. For squat, you need to make your back straight. Do not deviate take the knees inward. It should be going outward. 30 seconds. Distance between the legs of a shoulder distance. Leg slightly this way diagonal and go. 1. And your hips should be parallel to the floor. 2. 3. Push your hips outside. 4. 5. 6. 7. Break. So we would be doing in second round first. If you are comfortable in first round, do it with me. If not, you can do in second round. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. 30 seconds. Workout done. Now 20 seconds break. Next is jumping jack. 30 seconds of jumping jack. Take your legs together, hands by side of the body. We'll be starting once the whistle start. Go. 1. Land softly. Your core Engage your core. Break. 20 seconds break. Three, two, one, go. Jumping jacks. 30 seconds. Break. 20 seconds break. During break, you need to breathe. Breathe. Next is jump squat. Those who cannot do jump squat, they need to do normal squat. Okay? 1, 2. Land softly. Engage your core. Straighten your back. Break. Break of 20 seconds. Prepare your mind. Entire attention towards your legs, your glutes. Second round of jump squats. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Take 2 rounds of jump squats done. Next is rear lunges. Keep your hands on your waist. One. Your back will be straight. Do not bang your knee. Break. Second round, much better. Okay? Rear lunges. Breathe. Again. Break. Next is side lunges. Breathe. For side lunges, 3 foot distance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do not tilt forward. Break. Second round. Prepare your mind for second round. Breathe. Take your stance. Break. Even if we did 8 reps, that is more than sufficient. Next is mountain climber. For that, get into shoulder plank position and touch your elbows. You can do it slowly. If you are able to do faster, do it faster. Break. Prepare your mind for second round for mountain climber. In shoulder plank position, your hips lower. Okay, go faster. Break. Yes, I am using interval timer. Next is single leg runner. For that, you need to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Now with the other leg. Breathe. 20 seconds break. Now with the other leg. If you did with right, now left, or vice versa. Take your start. Your leg as much up as possible. Keep your core engaged. Break. This was single leg runner. Next is high knees. High knees, guys. For beginners, they can do it slowly. For others, do it faster. Breathe. breathe. Break. 20 seconds break. I hope you already started burning your fats and totally sweated. Hi sir. Okay. Hi knees. Break. 20 seconds. Next is abs roll up. You need to lie down. I hope I am audible. Simply touch it. 1, 2, 3. Engage your core. 4, 5, 6. Break. Prepare yourself for second round. For abs roll up. Relax. Breathe. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3. Get up with the abdomen. 4, 5, 6, 7. Break. Next is bicycle crunches. For that, you need to lie down. Interlock your finger. Place it below your head. Your right leg, your right hand would be touching your left and vice versa. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Break. Break guys, 20 seconds. Breathe in fully. Even your heartbeat has shaken up. Relax. Set yourself for second round of bicycle crunches. Interlock and behind. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Break. Now next is mounter runner. Instead of touching your knees to your elbows, you need to take entire legs behind the elbows, placing the leg just beside the palms. Okay. I hope you all are enjoying it. After this dynamic yoga, set yourself transpander. So for beginners, just place your leg this, come back. For intermediate, Break. Break of 20 seconds. Entire pressure comes at your abdomen. Set yourself again for mountain runner. For beginners. For others, they can do faster. Break. I hope you all are enjoying it. Breathe. Next is runners burpees. For runners burpees, run, jump, jump, run, jump, burpees. Run, jump, run, jump, break. You need to run, jump and do burpees. Prepare yourself for second round. Run, jump, then do burpees. Run, jump, run, jump, run, jump, break. Good morning. Next is plank. Get ready. Take your stance. Elbows plank. Go. Hips parallel to the floor. Breathe. Break. You can do plank much better because your core has become tight. You can hold for much longer period if you want. Second round, guys. Come on. 20 seconds break max. Take your stance. Go. Hips parallel to the floor. Breathe. Engage your core. Break. Done with our high intense workout. If you want me to take 1 or 2 sets, please give me thumbs up. Or otherwise, I'll start with the dynamic yoga. You want me to take few more exercise? Give me thumbs up, guys. I hope you all are enjoying it. Now with the dynamic yoga, 7 asanas. First relax. We did almost high intense workout for 28 minutes. Prepare yourself. Okay, so now next we'll take few more asanas or few more exercise. So take both the legs together. This is known as puppet jump. Okay, make your hands parallel. You need to jump. Okay, see. This is known as puppet jump. Relax. Prepare yourself for second round. Take your stance, make yourself parallel. Now start. Upper body tight. Only lower body movement. Breathe. Entire pressure on your legs, calf, your knee, your shin bone. Relax. I'm totally in sweat. I hope you all are enjoying it. Now next, jumping ropes. As if you are holding ropes in your hand. 30 seconds. Okay. Take your stance. Just your legs little apart. In 3, 2, 1, go. Soft landing. Engage your core. Relax. Relax yourself. Prepare yourself for second round. Breathe. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Second round of jump ropes. Relax. Now next we are doing boxer shuffle. The boxer shuffles this way. Okay, we would be doing that way. Our hands are fist totally covering our face. Okay, and we just need to shuffle. Okay, first take a break. Relax yourself. Come on. In 3, 2, 1, go. Cover your face. Engage your core. To engage our core, we need to bend little so that our core gets squeezed. So if we get hit, we won't have any pain. Okay? Shuffle. Looks easy, but it's tough to hold the hands above. Break. 30 seconds and 20 seconds break. I'm totally in sweat. I hope you are in the same mode. Engaging the core is important in most of the exercise. Now next, second round, boxer shuffle. In 3, 2, 1, core engage, hands cover. Relax. Now break. We would be doing dynamic yoga. Come on, guys. First one is, am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? For downward face drop with cobra twist, we are doing next. Okay. You need to take this much distance. Okay. Little away. Your core distance, your torso distance. Okay. Simply, you need to raise your hips and do not bend your knee. If you cannot touch your heels, you can do this one. This is downward face dog, Adho Mukh, Svanasana. Slowly come down, relax. Your hands are there only, near your chest. Then go up in cobra pose or upward dog position and slowly look back at your legs, right leg. Then slowly move to your left, look at your left. Then slowly go back to your right, twisting. Then slowly go back to your left. Then again downward dog position. Then simply get up. Okay. This was downward dog position with cobra twist. Okay. One more round. Take your stance. Okay. Your hands and knee distance of your torso. Simply raise your hips and touch your heels. Then simply go down without moving your hands. Then go to cobra pose. Soul relax. then twist towards your right, twist towards your left, then again twist towards your right, then twist towards your left. Slowly come back to downward dog position, then slowly get up. Next is supine spinal twist, that is Uttan Vakrasana. For that, get down, lie down, okay, your one leg, okay, you need to raise your leg, make your knee, bend your knee, look at your right and leg at your left, hold it for a while and breathe in. Pressure, give pressure to your right leg, then simply release. Then with the left leg, raise it, make it parallel, look at your left and leg at your right, press it, breathe. You get a good pressure at your spinal column, you get a good twist. Simply release, get back. Now different version of spinal twist. Place your knees, place your sole near your buttocks, interlock your fingers, legs are together. Take your leg towards your right and head towards your left. Both the legs are together. Elbows on the floor. Make sure your elbows are not raised. Then simply come to the center. Then go towards your left and head towards your right. Do not raise your elbows. Even if you cannot touch the knees on the floor, it's okay. Simply come back to the center, release and relax. Next is crab pose. For crab pose, you need to sit, bring your legs together, your palm at your back and simply raise the hips upward. This is tabletop pose. And head relax. Take the hip as much up as possible. You get a good pressure on your core, your hips, your knees and specifically your shoulders. Slowly come down, relax, be there for a while, prepare yourself for second round. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Raise your hip upward. Even if someone sits on your stomach, you should not go down. Slowly come down and relax. Now next is tiger bow pose. For that, you need to get into cow pose. 4 finger together, thumb apart. 4 finger together, thumb apart. Your hands 90 degree, your legs 90 degree. Simply take your back down and head up, and then take your leg up and catch hold your ankle joint and raise upward. Then slowly the opposite side. First make yourself comfortable, back down, head up, then raise your right leg, hold with your left hand. This is tiger bow pose. Then slowly relax. Sit in Vajrasana. Prepare yourself for second round. I hope you all are enjoying. This is the cool down. Instead of doing cool down exercises, I shifted to dynamic yoga. Okay, prepare yourself. Second round, shoulder distance, knees apart, hands 90 degree. Okay, now take your back down and head up. If comfortable, raise your right leg, hold with your left. Slowly come down. Again take your back down and head up. hold it, relax, relax yourself. Next is Vishnu couch. I would request those who are wearing shoes, remove your shoes. For Vishnu couch, you need to lie this way, taking the support. Okay. Now take your legs nearer. Hook your toes with two fingers, index finger and middle finger. Hold it tightly and simply raise it upward. Even if you cannot straighten your knees, it's okay. But make sure you give good pressure so that you get a pressure on your hamstring muscles. Now simply relax. Now with the other side. Go into Vishnu pose, legs together. Now bending your knees, hook your toes with two fingers. Now simply straighten it. The legs should be straight. You get a good pressure. Even your back becomes flexible. Your sides fat start burning in this. You get a good pressure at your calves, your hamstring muscles. Now slowly relax. Now again second round with the other side. Lie down on the couch position. Then hook your toes with two fingers. Now straighten yourself. Straighten the knees. Hold it for a few breaths. Slowly relax. Now with the other side. Go in a couch position. Hook your toes. Straighten the legs. Slowly relax. Next is Chakrasana. For Chakrasana, you need to lie down. Lie down comfortably. Make your sole near your buttocks. My mat is totally wet. I hope I don't slip. Okay. You need to place both the palms near your head, near your shoulders. So slowly. For beginners, they can just raise the hips upward. Okay. Those who can do with the support of your hand, raise your torso. Slowly come down. Slowly come down. Prepare yourself for second round. Relax, breathe in. Place your hands, your legs near your buttocks. Okay. Hands near your head. For beginners, just raise the torso. First get used to it. When you are comfortable, raise, push, pressure on your hands and simply raise your upper torso. Slowly come down and relax. Now next is warrior pose. For warrior pose, basically there are three types of warrior pose. That is totally wet. Okay, take your stance. Okay, hands above. You need to stand on your left leg first. Okay, bend your leg, start going laterally down, and then once you are comfortable, straighten your knee. then simply come up, then with the other leg, hands above, bend your leg, slowly make the leg straight. Slowly come back, relax. So we are done with our dynamic yoga. If you want me to take Savasana, please give me thumbs up. Guys, quickly give me thumbs up. We have 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, give me thumbs up if you want to take Savasana. Guys, give me thumbs up so that I can take Savasana. We have 7-8 minutes. Ram sir, should I take Savasana to rejuvenate the body? Okay. So do one thing, lie down completely. Lie down completely on your back. Lie down completely on your back. Distance between your legs. Distance between your hands. Fingers semicurl. Heels inside, toes outside. Simply relax yourself. Head either right or either left. Close your eyes. Slowly make yourself aware of your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. While you inhale, your stomach goes up. While you exhale, your stomach goes in. So your mind is very fickle in nature. One thought process we start thinking of the second, then third. It keeps on going and going. To control your thought process, you need to fix your mind on certain object. The best object available is within you. That is your breath. Do not open your eyes till we end our session and I instruct to open your eyes. Simply relax. Make yourself aware. Now, with the help of your mind power, willpower and power of auto-suggestion, we would be controlling our each and every body part. As you move your mind, keep visualizing how that body part, how that organ looks like, and give an instruction to relax. Now slowly move your fingers and your toes. Slowly start moving your fingers and toes. Make yourself aware of your body. Now relax it completely. Completely relax yourself. Completely consciously keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Now take your mind towards your toes, both the leg toes. Order them to get relaxed. Day in, day out, they work so hard. Request them to please relax yourself. Now slowly shift your mind upward and visualize that part. Your heels, your ankle joints, your shin bone, your calf muscles, your knee joints. Order them to get relaxed. Any pain in your knees, generally runners have pain in their knees. Order them, please go away. We are much stronger than you pain. You have no value if we become strong and if we control our mind. Now slowly move little upward. That is your thighs and hamstring muscles. Order them to get relaxed. Now slowly move little upward. That is your groins. Now here you can feel your legs are totally relaxed and it's in your control. Totally control of your mind. And it's getting heavier and heavier. You can compare your legs with other body part. Your legs, you will feel bit heavy. Now slowly and gradually shift your mind towards your fingers, your both the hands fingers. Order them to get relaxed. Thank your fingers because of you. It's you. We can hold certain object. If you were not present, we won't be able to hold anything. We thank you from our bottom of my heart. Now here it's your time to relax. Relax your fingers. Slowly shift little upward. Keep visualizing your body part, your muscles. That is your palms, your wrist joint, your forearms, your elbow joints, your upper arms, that is your biceps and triceps, and your shoulder blades. Now both the legs and both the hands are in control of your mind, and it's completely relaxed, and it's going on a relaxed mode, much deeper and deeper. Now slowly shift your mind towards your abdomen muscles, that is your lower abdomen, your middle abdomen, your upper abdomen. While you inhale, your stomach goes up. While you exhale, your stomach goes down. It is due to your diaphragm. It's like a balloon. Be there and for a while feel that movement of your stomach going up, your stomach going down. Consciously keep breathing. Do not sleep. Now slowly and gradually move little upward. That is your chest, lower chest, middle chest, and your upper chest. The most important organ inside your chest, that is your heart. Since your birth till your entire lifespan, it keeps on beating and it supplies blood to your entire body parts, to your legs, to your brain. Here it's your time to request your heart through your willpower, through power of auto-suggestion, to relax your heart. You supply blood to your entire body. Please, we request you to relax yourself. Try to relax as much as possible. When you go deeper, you can hear the heartbeats. Yeah, you can feel it. Your heart is beating. The sound of the heart is lub dub, lub dub. You can feel it. You are relaxing. Your body temperature is cooling down. Your blood pressure is going down to normal mode. Now slowly and gradually move little upward, that is your forehead. Any stress present inside your head, Tell the stress, please go away. You have no right or no object inside us. We order you to go away. We are much stronger than you. You can feel that your brain is relaxing and relaxing. Consciously keep breathing. Now shift little downward. That is your both the eyebrows, both the eyes, your nose, your nostril, your lips, your chin, your cheek muscle, your ears, your top of the head, your back of the head, your entire back. Now you are in a total control of your body part. Order them to get completely relaxed. Now go deeper inside. You can see the bloods flowing here and there towards your body. You can see the blood vessel. If you go much deeper, you can see the minute cells. There are billions of cells present inside your body. Give your total energy to your cells so that they can fight much stronger and they stay healthy. You are supplying all the energy to your cells. Indirectly, you are regaining your energy. You are rejuvenating your body. You are refreshing your body. Now be there. Now think of your happy moments. Be it your birthday, be any celebration, your marriage, your anniversary, your birth of your child, any. Just visualize all those happy moments. You are smiling. Give a fish small gentle smile. Just visualize those happy moments. We are here just to make ourselves happy and others happy. Try to make first yourself happy. Then only you can keep others happy. Compromise yourself only and only if there is important thing. Now slowly get back. Now you can feel that you are floating above the water. Your body is so light. You are just floating above the water. You are not sinking inside. Your body is completely relaxed. Now slowly get back. Activate your brain. Start moving your fingers, your toes. Now get into your left side. Make a cushion of your left hand and lie down on your left side only. Do not open your eyes. Be there for a while. Now with the support of the other hand, sit on your mat. Do not open your eyes. Sit in whichever direction you are. Sit in a cross-leg position. Make your back straight and elbows in cupping your knees. Simply close your eyes. Take your shoulder blades behind. We would be ending our session with one chant of Omkar. Those who want to do. It would be long chant of Omkar. The Makar would be much longer. It should be from your abdomen, then your throat, then your lips. Take a deep inhalation and start. Simply feel the vibration of Omkar running through your lips, your throat, your abdomen and your entire body. You can feel the positive vibration. Now simply rub both the palms faster and just place it on your closed eyes. Feel the warmness, feel the darkness. Slowly release your hand, slowly open your eyes and thank you. You can ask me question guys. I hope you enjoyed. Apologies Ram sir, I took it 7 minutes extra. Let me know if you like this sort of workout, high intense workout plus dynamic yoga, and closing the session with Savasana or Chaitanya Asana to rejuvenate yourself. Your body is now completely refreshed. You feel young and strong. You can ask me your question guys if you want, or I'll sign off from here. Thank you Ram sir. Just let me know if you want such workout more often. I'll come early morning, or I can take evening sessions as well. I do conduct evening session on my Insta page, that is free. Sometime I do Surya Namaskar, sometime I do only dynamic yoga, sometime I do combination of all. I do animal flow also. Just giving back to Mumbai road runners. Because of them, I started my fitness and yoga journey. I thanks Mumbai road runner Ram sir for giving this opportunity from my bottom of my heart. If you have any question guys, you can ask me, or otherwise I'll sign off from here. Good day guys, I hope you enjoyed. You have burned lot of fats and there is a lot of sweat. I'm totally wet. Even my pants, half pant is wet. Bye, good day. Enjoy.